Introduction of this module. Decision-making is one of the skills that a child like you can develop. How do you do that? By choosing between two or more things and accepting their outcome. For example, your cousin is encouraging you to play and have a bike ride outside. But, you know that children like you are still not allowed to roam and play outside. Now, for your first activity, which is the Let's Try This. You are going to follow the instructions given below. Do it on a sheet of paper. Then, answer the processing questions. After you finish the first activity, you are now going to answer these two processing questions. Number 1. Was it easy for you to follow the instructions? Why? And 2. Do you believe that you can make simple decisions? Why? For your Let's Explore this activity. On a clean sheet of paper, you are going to copy the activity. Below are the different situations that you may be experiencing in this community quarantine. Give the best action to each by choosing the correct letter in the box. Then, answer the questions that follow. For situation 1, there are dishes in the sink. 2, you want to play but you have to finish your module tasks. And 3, kids like you are not allowed to go out. 4, you want to talk to your neighbor friend. 5, you are told to sleep early. 6, you need to keep a healthy body. 7, there is still no face-to-face classes. 8, your older sibling asks you to do a task but you are playing. 9, you feel bored. And 10, your parent, household member came from grocery carrying 3 heavy bags. And these are the choices for the actions you are going to make. A. Try to eat nutritious food. B. You will help in carrying the bags. C. You will do some physical exercise. D. Volunteer to help in washing the dishes. E. Follow the community protocol. F. Keep social distance. G. Stop playing and do the task. H. Ask for help from parent, guardian regarding online or modular classes. I. Finish module task first. And J. Go to bed early. After that activity, you may now answer these 3 processing questions. Number 1. How do you feel about your answers? 2. What did you consider in choosing the best action? And 3. What is the importance of choosing the best action for every situation? Now you must keep this in mind. Making a decision is one of the skills that we have to learn at home and in school. It means that for every problem there is a solution. Below are the questions that you need to ask yourself when you feel choosing the best action seems tough. Is it good for me and others? How will I feel in others, too, if I make the right or wrong decision? Remember that no matter how difficult the situation, crisis may be, the result of your action will depend on your decision. These are steps in making a decision when choosing is tough. First, define the problem. Second, think of all the possible solutions. Third, understand all your ideas and consider what would be the consequences of each. And lastly, decide for the best action and carry it out. For your another activity, which is the You Can Do It. You are going to copy the table below on a clean sheet of paper. Write down your task for the past week, day 1 to 7, given by your parents or guardian in the first column. In the second column, write your decision if you did it, done, or did not pass. In the third column, write the result. An example is presented to serve as your guide. So here are the examples on the activity that you are going to do. To test what you have learned in this module, you are going to do the What I Have Learned activity. On a clean sheet of paper, draw something that you use during this community quarantine. Describe how it helps your household and community in giving the best result to be safe from the virus. Make your best output. And lastly, you are now going to share your thoughts and feelings. In this activity you are going to share 3 best decisions that you have made during community quarantine. Write it down on a clean sheet of paper.